Are you experiencing issues with YouTube TV? In this tutorial, we'll guide you through some common problems and show you how to fix them quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before diving into settings, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause streaming issues. If needed, restart your router or connect via Ethernet for better stability. Step 2. Restart the YouTube TV app. If the app is freezing or not loading properly, try restarting it. Close the app completely and reopen it to see if the issue persists. Step 3. Update YouTube TV. Make sure you have the latest version of YouTube TV installed. Check for any available updates in your device's app store and install them to fix potential bugs or glitches. Step 4. Clear cache or reinstall. For persistent issues, clearing the app's cache or reinstalling it might help. On most devices, you can clear cache through the app settings. Step 5. Check for YouTube TV outages. Sometimes, YouTube TV servers may experience issues. Check YouTube TV's social media or status page for any service outages affecting users. Step 6. Adjust playback settings. If you're having trouble with video playback, e.g., buffering or low-quality video, go to the settings and adjust your streaming quality or toggle the auto option to let YouTube TV adjust the quality based on your connection. Step 7. Contact support. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact YouTube TV support. They can help you troubleshoot further or identify issues specific to your account or region. Bonus tip: keep your devices and apps up to date to ensure the best possible experience and avoid unexpected issues. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting guides and solutions. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.